Hi guys,
Hello.
Welcome back. I have a very special guest here today in honor of my birthday week. My very best friend, my co-maid of honor, one of the most amazing human beings in my life, Sylvia.
Hello.
Woo! A little bit about Sylvia.
Yes.
I'm going to embarrass you with the introduction.
Oh.
She's the most beautiful artist, the most amazing woodworker. I have set up, it's a little treat for you guys, some of the incredible stuff she has done for me. She custom made this ring box for my husband. Didn't he contact you like a couple days before we went on our trip?
It was 2 weeks.
It was 2 weeks before the trip.
Yeah.
And then I was in her house. I went to take care of her after she got her wisdom teeth pulled out.
Yeah, it was great.
So she was like on drugs, hiding this box inside of her house, and she did not say a peep. It has mountains. It has the lyrics to Nick and I's song on it. It's the most beautiful thing in the world. And then for our wedding, she also made us our incredible wedding book. It is this guy, which again, it has our lyrics. It has our dates. And then we've kept this. Our wedding was almost a year ago. This was like the speech.
Yep.
We had our little handwritten, like Nick and I's vows
It was
are
so
in here.
cute.
So now we just get to keep this forever. And then we also like took a bunch of Polaroids at the wedding. So all of the Polaroids are saved in here. And then this was also our guest book. This is where people wrote everything for us. And we just get to keep this in this beautiful little package that my best friend handmade for us. It's truly amazing. I will post where you can find her on Instagram and everything at the end of the video. You guys should definitely check her out. She's incredible.
Thank you.
So today,
Yes.
we are making, we don't know what to call it.
We don't know it, but we're drinking today.
We're drinking. This is like inspired off of one of our favorite drinks where we went to college, and you were the bartender there.
Yeah.
So you like really know the deets. The
Yeah.
place has since gone out of business,
Shocking.
along with many of our favorites from where we went to college. I don't think this one was a health code violation, though.
No, I think it was just spot, like territory.
Just like,
area.
we're done,
Yeah.
we're out.
No.
But anyways, do you want to tell us a little bit about the unnamed autumn beverage?
Sure. So originally this was made with vodka, but Maddie and I are whiskey drinkers.
We have some.
Yeah,
and
so
then
you
we
can-
decided not to use it.
No. So you can easily do this with vodka. But it's super easy to make. It's literally just packets of apple cider mix, alcohol, and then toppings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done.
That's it. And then you just enjoy it
Yes.
on a cold, brisk autumn day, which it's not today in Los
It's
Angeles.
literally going to be 100 degrees on Saturday.
Oh, I'm so sad.
We're just going to keep pretending. So what can I do for you? How can I help?
Okay. So we'll start by prepping the apples, and they
Okay.
just need to be chunks, like little
Okay,
easy
just in a
chunks.
dice.
Yeah.
Should I use all 3 apples? How many apples do we need?
Maybe for this guy, we can use like 1.5. So we don't need to use all of them.
Perfect.
Yeah. But just like big chunks. And then I'm going to mortar the pomegranate seeds.
Perfect.
Cool. So yeah, we're going to start by mortaring the pomegranate seeds. And this is 2 tablespoons for this size jar that we're using.
And how many ounces is this guy again?
This is 24
24
ounces.
ounces. But you used to make
We used to do it in the huge
36
like
ounces.
yeah. So we would do pitchers in a giant mason jar, which was so such darkness.
It
like
was so much. And that's how it was. Like all of the bars where we went to college, they were really just about going as hard as you can. Like we had this pizza place where do you remember bazookas?
Or the shots that they did were in the pizza sauce.
Yeah.
Like
Literally everywhere that you could drink where we went to college. So we went to college in a place called Greeley, Colorado, which South Park has named the opposite of Hawaii.
it's the exact opposite of Hawaii.
It's a very strange. Here's the thing. There's a beautiful community of, artists and, it's like one of the top theater schools, one of the top jazz schools, one of the top nursing, education.
Yeah. It's a great school.
It's a really good school, but it's just like in this very strange little town
Well, it's like the number one meat packaging
It's a meat packaging town.
On the outskirts, not like where we went to college, but
it's also well, that's the thing. It's also where like all of the parts of cows that serve no commercial use, they all get sent to this town to be incinerated. And there were days that you couldn't even walk out of the house without like putting like a scarf or a bandana around your face. Your eyes would be burning. There would just literally be like burning cow parts in the air.
So cute to talk about while making
really,
cocktails.
Yeah. So these are our favorite drinks that we used to have to get through those days.
To totally get through those days.
I mean, it was I'm telling you, like the drinks, they were gigantic. Everywhere you go, they would just be as big as they could possibly be. Like 32 to 64 ounce alcoholic beverages. And that was just the norm.
Yeah. And you could order that for like 2 people.
Yeah, but nobody did.
I definitely drank one of those to myself one time with Alexis, and she didn't drink any of it.
Yeah.
And I was like,
I felt like I only drank those to myself. I didn't realize we should have been sharing.
The whole thing. So after you get a good little syrup with the pomegranates, you're just going to pour it into the jar. It's going to actually base the whole jar before we top it off with some ice. Okay, so now we have this beautiful little concoction here, topped with the ice, the pomegranate on the bottom, and then we're just going to add whiskey. Again, you can add vodka. And yeah, just kind of those two. I think rum or gin would kind of be weird with this. No. So yeah, just whiskey or vodka. So we have 4 shots pre-poured into this cute little mountain mug because we're missing Colorado today. And you're just going to pour that in to the jar. Oh my God, that was so much whiskey.
That is a lot of whiskey. Is that right?
I don't think that's right. Okay.
We're back.
And we're back. All right.
Nothing happened. We've been here the whole time.
Yeah, we've been great doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, so then we're going to put the apples in.
This is so pretty.
It's my
seriously
favorite.
think it's like the most beautiful.
So this is the pre-made apple cider. And this is actually 3 packets of apple cider because you kind of want it a little concentrated and a little syrupy because then it'll give that brightness too.
Yeah. I mean, that's basically like the simple syrup.
Exactly.
Just made out of
apple cider which
packets.
Gives you a less step because then you don't have to actually make simple syrup. All right, and then you just throw a lid on there. And this is the great thing about this cocktail that I love is it's super easy. You just shake it.
Done.
And then you're done. You can just toss it back and forth a little bit. Get those pomegranate seeds going.
Look how pretty it is, though.
And then...
Oh, I love it.
There we go.
I love it so much. It's so gorgeous. Look at that.
Ooh, sorry.
Oh,
there we go.
This is it. You can see all of the apples. You can see all of the pomegranates.
Garnishing.
So
after you pour, you can just garnish with a little bit of pomegranate seeds that are all amazing. Love it. So the original one was cranberries. Which you don't want to mortar and pestle because that would just be
disgusting.
Real gross.
That would be real.
So that one is just straight up garnish like whole cranberries on top just to make it cute.
It's literally just pretty.
Yeah.
I actually like this though because we got some pomegranate syrup out of it. And I have not tried this yet. You guys, this is my first drinking of this beverage since we were in college together.
Oh my God, really?
Oh,
yay.
We don't need to talk about how many years ago that was.
Yeah, or the times in college because that would just be...
We won't talk about any of that.
Some real dark memories.
We're just going to try right now.
Okay.
Let's cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday. Happy autumn.
Happy autumn. Happy birthday. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is actually, I think this is even better than just forget about the cranberries. Don't even worry yourself about the cranberries. Let's just stick to the pomegranates.
I didn't say anything about cranberries. So.
That pomegranate juice makes it like, you can see all of the fall colors, the apples, the pomegranates, they look so pretty together. And you don't have to use green apples. I think you said gala apples, golden apples, whatever you think looks the prettiest. Green are obviously the most tart as well.
Yeah.
So something to consider if you want to eat them at the end. I always love a little bourbon soaked apple at the end of my drink.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little garnish. It's a little snack for when you're buzzed.
Yeah. Which we're about to be. I'm going to chug this right now. Mm-hmm. Sylvia, thank you so much for being on my channel, for doing a special birthday episode, making my favorite drink of all time. This is bringing back so many beautiful memories for me, and I'm so happy to have you here.
I'm so happy to be here. Of course.
Make sure you check out all of her wood burning. Tell them where they can find you.
Instagram, it's called just.toasted.
And I will put that little handle down if I can figure out how to do that.
That'd be amazing.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Make sure you go visit Just Toasted. She does take commissions. She does a lot of weddings, but also just gifts for any occasion. Cutting boards, books, coasters, plaques. Literally anything that is wood. She can turn it into a beautiful design. She literally hand burns all of her designs into it. It's absolutely incredible. It blows my mind. And I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy you did all of this beautiful stuff that is now on display for us. If you haven't already, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up this video and ring the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I do post a new video every Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and I will see you next Monday.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.